Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous wig that I have installed. This wig is from Beeoshair. They sent me this 22-inch 150 density wig. Now this is a frontal wig, 13 by 4 to be exact, and it is pre-plucked and it is pre-bleached. Originally, I was planning not to bleach the knots on the unit, but ultimately I decided, yeah, I'm gonna go in and bleach it one more time because I would say it's lightly pre-bleached. It's not like heavily pre-bleached, so it literally looked perfect. Like you could just see the knots ever so slightly, but when you parted the wig, you did see like beautiful clean hairline. So yeah, so I bleached my knots and you can see that it's just a little bit lighter here. But I knew that I wanted to do an updo with this wig, so that's why I did go in and bleach those knots just so it could look even more realistic. Now, this is an HD lace and it is definitely melted. As you guys can see, it is giving scalp, and even the part is really nice and pretty clean. And I did not use any wig caps on this install. I just put it over my natural hair that was slicked back. That's usually how I install my wigs. Unless I'm going somewhere like really particular or like really fancy, I don't use wig caps. Like I just put it on my natural hair and ready to go. So you guys can see what the style looks like in the updo, but I did want to take these down just to show you guys. I'm not sure if you can see the tracks or not, but I tried to pick the hair where it wouldn't really show the tracks. I really appreciate the fact that it was pre-plucked because those baby hairs just laid so nicely. And again, I did not pluck anything on this wig and this is how it came. I want to remove this elastic band. I usually get these caught in my hair, so I usually just cut them out. I wanted to show you guys the wig like in its natural state. Okay, the part is not perfect, but you guys get the idea. You know, my go-to middle part. I wanted to show you guys, you know, the full density and how the hair looks. My final thoughts on this unit is it's not bad. It's pretty cute. I do like the fact that it is pre-plucked, the hairline and all that, and it is pre-bleached. That is awesome. Again, I'm gonna leave all the information to Beeoshair in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. The coupon code is gonna be right here for you to save some coins if you decide to go with this wig. It is definitely beautiful, and yeah, she looks really cute on and it fits me really nicely. I do have the medium size cap and I do really like the density. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.